Today I will show you how to fix ChatGPT. Something went wrong error. The solution is very easy. Go first to the settings of your device. You're gonna see this list. Click at apps option and search for ChatGPT and click on it like this. Here guys, you will find this list of options. Scroll it down. Click storage now. Click clear cache only and back. Click add force stop and click OK. So go to Play Store or App Store if you use iPhone. Search right now for ChatGPT. If you found here update, you have to update ChatGPT. If you didn't find, click in install and install again your ChatGPT. After that, come restart your phone and your problem will be solved after that. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.